Hi guys, out at Eastville Park. Got some boomerangs to try out. There's a light breeze. I hope it's the right sort of breeze, not too much and not too little. Just had a little walk round there. Filmed that with my mobile phone, so we'll see if that's any good on a separate video. But we'll have a walk over there where it's nice and flat, and have a go with the boomerangs. The white one on the front there, night boomer, we've tried that before and that seems to work fine. The red one is supposed to be an indoor one with quite a tight turn on it, and I think it probably makes a noise as well. And then the wooden one, that's another one of my charity shop finds. Well, they're all charity shop finds. Looks like ordinary plywood, but it does look like it's been shaped the right way. So we got a chance of it flying. We'll soon find out, won't we? Handy point to start from. We'll throw this one first, because that'll give me an idea of what the conditions are like, because we know this one goes fairly well. So this is the night boomer. It cost me 99p in a charity shop. It does have a glow stick for going in the middle, but not worried about that today. We're not going to try it in the dark. Instructions: minimum, maximum. And throw it. If the wind's coming from us, we throw it that way. Yeah. Well, that's about right, isn't it? Give that another try. Oh, I didn't throw that quite so smoothly that time. Try that again, that way, over a bit. Maybe a little bit closer to the wind. How about that tree over there? One more. Next tree over. Oh, failure. Well, alright, I lied. We'll have another one. That was close enough to catch that time. Oh, too high. Too high. I like this one, as you can probably tell. Come on, catch it for the camera. Not a chance. Got the angle totally wrong that time. Right, definitely last one with this one. Back to me. Nah. Okay, it looks like they've seeded this. Don't want to land on there too often. Right. So, we'll try this one now.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.